This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy kills in Fortnite. To start, always aim to land in quieter spots on the map, away from the main action. This gives you time to gather essential loot, like a reliable shotgun for close combat and an assault rifle for longer ranges. Remember to keep your ears open for enemy footsteps. Sound cues are incredibly important. Once you have some gear, focus on smart positioning. Always try to secure the high ground, as it offers a significant advantage in fights. Avoid running in open spaces where you're an easy target. Instead, use trees, buildings, and other natural cover. Look for opportunities to engage enemies when they are already fighting someone else or are caught off guard. Building is a core mechanic in Fortnite, even for easy kills. Practice placing walls and ramps quickly to create instant cover when you're under fire. Learning basic edits can also turn defensive structures into offensive opportunities. Use walls and ramps not just for protection, but also to gain height or block an opponent's line of sight, giving you the upper hand. For more advanced tips, always carry healing items like mini shields or medkits to quickly recover after a fight. Observing professional players can teach you new tricks and strategies you might not have considered. Most importantly, stay calm under pressure and view every defeat as a learning experience. This mindset will help you improve consistently and secure more eliminations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.